Welcome to Scanning with Papercut. To get access to Papercut scanning, you must first log into the machine with the Access button. This button should look like a door with a keyhole. It may be located in different places on different machine models. After pressing the Access button, the Papercut MF screen will appear. Tap the ID box and enter your employee ID using the touchscreen. Next, click Log In. Your username should appear at the top of the screen. Back at the home screen, click the touch screen where it says Papercut or App. At the Select an Application screen, click the Scan button. Choose either Scan to my email or Google Drive. Scanning to Google Drive will require extra steps to configure. We will not be covering these extra steps in this video, but after scanning to Google Drive, you should receive an email with further instructions. On the Scan Details screen, we have multiple options such as Additional Pages and New Document. The Additional Pages option displays the Finish button on the device's scanning screen, allowing you to add more pages to a current document scan job and receive it as a single PDF. The New Document option enables the device to display the Papercut Scan complete screen, providing you with the ability to carry out multiple scan jobs with the same scan settings as the first scan job, making multiple separate PDFs. After setting your options, click Start will begin the scanning job. Depending on if you selected additional pages and New Document, another screen may appear. Once all documents are scanned, click Send. After you are done using Papercut, you must log out. Click the Access button again and click Yes to the logout screen.